Great swing, galloping at the start is She's Gorgeous. She's Gorgeous, rushing up by the Red Flow joiner, Dico Akaline, early greetings. Moving up by the Red Sincerely Devil alongside. It's now Flow Joiner by about 2 lengths, followed by She's Gorgeous, and racing in third, Dico Akalain, early greeting. Sincerely Devil alongside his pack, Asa Sailor King, and Don Vicente is running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Flow Joiner by about a length and a half, followed by She's Gorgeous in second, and racing in third, early greeting, Dico Akalain, moving up on the outside as they race the last 500. Flow Joiner by half a length, Dico Akalain on the outside as they race the final corner. Dico Akalain on the outside. Early greetings moving up by the Flow Joiner, Sincerely Devil. And on the outside, Don Vicente. Dico Akalain, Flow Joiner once again on the outside, Sincerely Devil by the Dico Akalain. And finally, Dico Akalain, Sincerely Devil, Flow Joiner, early greeting, and She's Gorgeous for your Fentafecta.
7-3.